A small falcon with a spectacular skill lives close to these grasslands. She's grey and brown with delicate features. But she is still a killer, the Kestrel. This is one on her way home. Her partner helps with looking after the kids. He will stay with her for life, but the chicks will fly the nest soon, when they're 4 to 5 weeks old. Kestrels have a wingspan of less than a meter, but it's what they do with their wings that makes them stand out. This parent is out hunting again. She's after small animals living in the grass, mice, reptiles, or even insects. The field has just been harvested, attracting lots of birds. The Kestrel has seen a mouse. She hovers, then drops. Hovering is very difficult, but Kestrels are experts. They face into the wind and use tiny movements in their wings and tail to stay over the same spot. They can lock onto their prey and take perfect aim before they fire. Another parent is looking for signs of a mouse. He could be in luck. Even his dive is precisely controlled. Nothing this time. He must try again. Kestrels have another amazing ability. They can see ultraviolet light. And this takes our parent to his prey. This mouse marks his trails in the grass with urine. Mouse urine reflects UV light, so the Kestrel can see ribbons of rodent trails in the field below. He's got the mouse in his sights. He lines himself up for the strike. He's on target. Kestrel has used all of his talents to win the race of life today. Kestrels can have up to 7 chicks. You would definitely need to be an expert hunter to feed that many hungry mouths. But the chicks are running the race of life even before they leave the nest. At least one of this lot will probably die. As they fight for food, they are fighting for their lives. Chicks that are small or weak will not manage to get any food. It's brutal, but for Kestrels, it is the only way to make sure the strongest survive.